Today I'm going to talk to you guys about how to open a girl. You know, initiate a discussion, start a chat. The good news is that opening a girl is actually very easy. Just visit this random online sentence generator at www.watchoutforsnakes.com. Here you'll find out, exactly what to say the next time you see that pretty face you want to chat up. Here are some examples of me doing so. A statement for you.
Yes.
I have a statement.
Okay.
The inspiring curve multiplies within the allowed vinyl.
Okay.
Hi, what's your name?
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, the concert moans outside the vocabulary.
The concert moans outside of the vocabulary.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hi, I'm Bijan.
Hi, Bijan. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. The economy reacts without the leading river. Hi, what's your name? Seriously though, you can open a girl saying whatever you want. The truth is, no girl has ever been in a guy's bed and said the following: I would fuck you right now, but I just don't approve of the way you open me. Think about it, that situation is pretty much impossible. I mean, why would she be in his bed in the first place? The key is in how you say it. How you say it, how you say it. How you say it. You are absolutely adorable, I had to come say hi. It's different than, you're absolutely adorable, I had to come say hi. Understand that the real purpose of an opener is to distract her mind from whatever she's doing in that moment and get her to pay attention to you. Half-ass your opener and she will blow right past you. Open her with full conviction and she will have no choice but to stop. It really is that simple. The more you overthink what you're gonna say, the weirder it's gonna come out when you say it. Think about a social situation you've been in where you really want to say something and you're just not sure about whether or not you should say it. You keep recycling this thought over and over in your mind, wondering whether or not you should say it, and by the time you do actually say it, it comes across as weird as shit. Nobody reacts, there's a ton of tension in the room, and maybe an awkward silence even ensues. The same concept here directly relates to approaching a girl. Your opener will click if you go up to the girl and deliver it without thinking about it. That, my friends, is the magic bullet. Oh shit. I'm gonna give you guys a very basic opener to use the next time you see a beautiful woman. I absolutely love your style. What's your name? This is a very basic opener you can use if you really don't know what to say. One crucial piece of advice I have for you guys is to start walking as soon as you see the girl. The reason why is if you stall, you have a higher likelihood of getting too inside of your head, which will prevent you from taking any action whatsoever. Contrary to that, if you begin walking, you're telling your mind that something's gonna happen, and because of that, there's a higher chance of something actually happening. Finally, do not be afraid of failure. In fact, the more you fail, the more subconsciously you'll fix your bad habits and the closer you'll be to success. Alright, you guys, please like, subscribe, go out and take action, stop watching so much material. You've read enough material, you've watched enough videos, you know you're ready, go get some real experience. Alright, peace. Yo, what's up, man? Before you leave, let me tell you something really quickly. I know that even after watching so many pickup videos and videos in general related to dating advice, that you may still have a lot of trouble making the first move and taking action. The truth is, doing so is extremely difficult, which is why I've decided to start my own Skype consultations where I'll be helping you dependent on your own specific situation. I'll be giving you advice, feedback, and missions that you can do right now to see success quickly. I'll be giving you my insights, mindsets, and to be honest, little tricks that have helped me progress really fast. Think of this like a Skype bootcamp. The best part about this is that the first 20 people who sign up for it will get my personal phone number where you can text me anytime you want about anything you want with a guaranteed response. Just no dick pics, please. Visit the link on your screen to find out more. Alright, man, peace.